Hello, my name is Dominique Velasco, and let's talk about the impact of nanotechnology in our lives. But the question is, what is nanotechnology and why you should care? Nanotechnology is a new field of science and engineering that focuses on making very small things. Yes, it is hard to imagine how small nanotechnology is, but a 1 nanometer is a billionth of a meter. That's very tiny to the point that they are invisible to the naked eye. Let me give you some examples. The first example is a human. As you can see that it is a child that is about 1 meter tall. Do you know that 1 meter is equals to 1 billion nanometers? That's a large number of a nanometer. The second one is a hand. Do you know that our hand have millions of nanometers long? That sounds amazing, right? But it doesn't mean that our hand is super big. It means that a nanometer is super small, very tiny. The third one, we have pinky finger. It is about 10 million nanometers. We have freckle. It is about 1 million nanometers. Strand of hair, 100,000 nanometers. And as you can see, we have red blood cell. It is about 10,000 nanometers. Bacteria cell is about 1000 nanometers, and lastly virus. It is much smaller than bacteria. It is 0.1 of a micrometer wide. And on a comparative scale, if each person on Earth was the size of a nanometer, then every individual on the planet would fit into a single car. That's incredible, right? Nanometer is super tiny, but why does it matter? Nanoscience and nanotechnology can be used to reshape the world around us. It involves the ability to see and control individual atoms and molecules. And we all know that atom is a basic unit of matter, and everything in the universe apart from energy is made up of matter. Therefore, atoms make up everything in the universe. To put it simply, everything on Earth is made up of atoms. For example, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, the buildings we saw, the house we live in, and our own bodies. A human body. Do you know that 99% of your body is containing of atoms of hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen? It also contains a much more smaller amount of other elements that are essential for life. Nanotechnology also deals up by putting atom by atom, and it also has the ability to create materials, systems, and devices with fundamentally new functions and properties. Nanotechnology can also help us to clean up some of the world's bigger problems. It contributes significantly in environmental and climate protection. With the help of nanotechnology, water quality can be improved, toxic gases in air can be cleaned, and it also provides a new approach to cut down waste production, reduce emission of greenhouse gases, and discharge hazardous chemicals in water bodies. Nanotechnology really has the potential to do great things on our planet and the human race. But always remember, as nanotechnologies are developed, we will gain a lot of benefits, yes, but also encounter a lot of risk and threats. Our relationships, our lives, and perspective on Earth may alter in unexpected ways. So it is critical for us individuals to think ahead and plan for these changes. Again, I am Dominique Velasco, and I just want to say thank you for listening.